Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you the chapter 3C. Exercise 3C. The first question is find the product. Question number 1, 73.92 into 10 into 10. Here we have to solve 73.92. Remove the decimal from here and put it here. 100 into 10. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. So this one 7392 by 10, and the simplifications of this one 739.2. This one the answer. Or how many zeros here? Write down 73.92 into 10. How many zeros here? 1. So this decimal will change one place. Your answer is 739.2. This one your answer. But how do you get it? The process is given here. In the next question, 0.7 into 10. Here remove this decimal and put it here by 10. For this decimal 1 will be written, and the how many digits? Only one digit, so 10 will be written, and 10 and 10 will be cancelled, so the answer is only 7. Thus question number 1 is completed, and rest questions you will have to solve. Yes. Now question number 2, find the product. Also here find the product. Same process we will do. 2.397 into 100. Here remove the decimal, and in place of decimal 1 will be written, and how many digits? Only 3 digits, so 30 will be write down in place of the digits. 2 zeros will be cancelled, and then 2397 by 10. Here for the 10, 1 before one place we will put here decimal, and this one the answer of this given question. Now the same question. Once again the trick is, how many zeros here? 2 zeros. So count down the 2 digits, then your answer will become like the same. 2.397. Here after decimal two places will go towards this one, this way, then we will write down 239.7. Again in next question, all questions have the same process, so we will do 0.003 into 100. This one the question. Remove this decimal, write in place of 1, and 3 digits is given, so 3 zeros will be written in place of them, and this one 3 by 10, and write down 0.3 is the answer of it. Once again we will see the trick. There are 2 zeros here, so this decimal 0.003 into 100, so 2 zeros and this place the decimal will move 2 places towards right side, so the answer is 0.3. This one the process which you do only in MCQ, but in fair copy you must have to do in this way. Now the next one, find the product. This one the same process. Here we have to multiply it by 100. Here we have to multiply 1000. Solutions: 6.7314 into 1000. Remove this decimal, and in place of decimal 1 write down 1, and 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, the 0 will be written. 1 2 3 1 2 3, all 3 zeros will be cancelled, then 67314 by 10, and the answer is 6731.4. This one the answer. Once again we will see 3 digits is given here, so decimal will move towards right place, and after 3 digits the decimal will be put it here. So it's a very easy, you can easily do so. See here, 0.06 into 1000. Remove this decimal and put it here, 100 only. Both 2 zeros will be cancelled, and there 6 into 10, and your answer is only 60. Also we will do the same process. 3 zeros is here, and the decimal will move towards right place of 3 digits. There it is given 0.06, and it has to move 3 digits. So how do we write? So 1, 2 and 1 more 0 we will put, and then this decimal will put it here. So our answer is only 60. This one the tricks only. Hope question number 2 and 3 is completed. And in next question, find the product. Here the question has changed. 5.4 into 16. Very simple. Write down here 5.4 into 16. Remove the decimal and put it here in the place of 1, and number of digits will written here, number of zeros. 54. Now the simple questions, 54 into 16, and then 54 by 10 into 16. Multiplied it with 16. 16 4 ja 64, in hand 6, 16 5 ja 80, plus 6 86, and 86.4. This one the answer. It's a very simple, and in this case no any chance for mistake. Once again, the question is 0.854 into 12. Here remove this decimal and make this in a fraction. Then we will multiply it. 12 4 ja 48, in hand 4. 12 5 ja 60, plus 4 64, in hand 6. 12 8 ja 96, 96 plus 6 102 by 1000, and from here 10248. How many zeros here? 3. So 1 2 3, and put it the decimal here. This one the answer of it. It's a very simple. Now the same process, but here we will, what we have seen, in both places decimal is given. Now do it with the same process. 7.6 into 2.4. This one my question. Remove this decimal and make this decimal in a fractional. So 76 by 10 into 24 by 10. We will simply multiply it. 24 into 6. 76 and 24. We will multiply. 1824 by 100. Here 1824, and counted the 0 and put the decimal in place of them. So 18.24. This one the simplifications of it. It's a very simple. When you multiplied it, suppose 7.6 to multiplied it by 7.4. So after getting the product, then how many times, on which places, one for this here we will see, after one decimal, after one place the decimal is putting here, here also the decimal is putting here, then 1 plus 1 2, and then our answer will be the same. In this process we will do and this one the very simple process, and here no any chance for mistakes. Now see in the another question. 0.623 into 0.75. Remove this decimal also here. When we will multiply it and we get the answer 623, and it will be multiplied it by 75. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 1 11, and 5 6 is 30 and 31. 7 3 is 21 in hand 2, 7 2 is 14 plus 2 16, 7 6 is 43, 43 and 2 43 and 44. 5 1 1 2 6 1 7, 4 plus 3 7 and 4. 4 7 7 2 5 by 1 upon 5 0, and then we will put 1 2 3 4 5, then 0.47725, and this one the answer of it. Hope it is not a big task for you, you can easily do so. In this question we have to multiply it. Take a rough. 623 into 75. 5 3 is 15 in hand 1, 5 2 is 10 plus 1 11 in hand 1, 5 6 is 30 plus 1 31, 7 3 is 21, 21 of 1 in hand 2, 7 2 is 14 plus 2 16 in hand 1, 7 6 is 40, 2 plus 1 43, 5 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 3 6 and 4. This one 46725 by 1 upon 50. So your answer is 0.46725, because there are 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 zeros, and when count all number of zeros, then put your decimal. This one the simplification of it. See the next question. Find the product. Here in the same process you will have to solve 13 into 1.3 into 0.13. Remove the decimal and put it in the fractional. Very simple. 13 into 13 into 13 by here 13 into 13 into 13 by 1000. Take a rough. 13 into 13 169 into 13. Two 2197 is the cube of it. 2197 by 1000, and put the decimal after 3 digits. So 2.197, this one the answer of it. Very simple. You can easily do this question by the same process. Make it in a fractional, then you will put the decimal after counting the zeros. In the next question, this one the same process. 11.1 into 1.1 into 0.11. 111 into 11 into 11 by 1 2 3 4. Very simple. 111 into 121, because 11 11 ja 121. When we will multiply it So 121 into 111. Write down 121, 121 and 121. 13431. So 13431 by 1 upon 4 zeros, and then write down 1234, 1234, 1.3431. This one the answer of it. Hence question number 6. I have taken only 2 questions, and rest questions on the same process you will do so. Next question, evaluate. Evaluate is the same process. You will do with the same work 1.2 whole square. It means 1.2 into 1.2. Remove this decimal and put it, make it in a fraction. So 12 into 12, 144, by 10 into 10 is 100. So 1.44, this one the answer of it. Like the same, 0.04 to the whole square. It means 0.04 into 0.04. Remove this decimal, also remove this decimal. 4 4 jar 16 and 1 upon 4 0. Here 16, write down 16, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then put it decimal, and this one the answer of it. On the same process here it will be multiplied 3 times because the exponent is given 3. 0.3 to the power cube. 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. So remove this decimal, also remove this decimal, remove this decimal. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 by 1000, and here you will write down 0.027, this one the answer. Thus in this video I have completed question number 1 to 8, and in another video I will complete this chapter. So no any problem to solve the rest of the questions, and your efforts must be increased. That's why I have left so many questions for you. This one your task and you will complete it. Thank you. Have a nice day.